Hello, Riga, everybody again. This is Mr. Bing. It is 8:41 a.m. on March 18th, 2021. I want to do sort of a part two on this this tutorial for 1.2.4, IED 1.2.4. I just did a tutorial, you might remember, if you, I don't know if you remember, but if you saw it, that was the object that I just did from 1.2.4. So I want to give it another try with the last object in the assignment. At least for me, there's 8 total, and this will be the 8th one for me. And so in this assignment, 1.2.4 fundamentals of dimensioning, which is due this weekend, Sunday at midnight. And here it is, fundamentals of dimensioning. And the assignment itself is to make this object, and then to make, that's the same object, and then to make 3 dimensioning examples. You can look at that on your own. And then to make that object, and then to make 3 dimensioning worksheet objects. And so all of those things, the 3 plus the 1 plus the 1 plus the 3 adds up to 8. And so if you look at my engineering notebook simulator, you see all the paper notebook work that I've done, and then all the models that I've made, and you can count for yourself. There are 7 of them. So 8 are in the assignment, and I've done 7, so I might as well knock out the last one. And here is those are examples. I must have closed. Darn it, I closed it. Let me see if I can open it again. I've already done all the examples. Now I want the worksheet, dimensioning worksheet. And so it looks like that, right? I've done, that's the one I just did. And now I'm going to do this one. See, it's going to be great. And as I look at this object, I see that it's basically a big box, and it's got a width and a height. I like to start with the front. It's got a width and a height, and it looks like the width is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that right? Did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each square is a half, so that's 3.5. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tall, so that's 3, right? 3.5 wide by 3 tall. So let me see if I can do this. Well, look, I can make a new thing here. Yes, create a document. They call it a document. IED 1.2.4 dimensioning worksheet 3. It's the third one. WBM, my initials, Walter Bing Marshallek. And so this object, if I remember, well, first I'm going to sketch it. I like to start in the front plane. Look at the front view. Yes, that's good. Make a little rectangle. This rectangle is going to be 3.5, if I remember, by 3 tall. And then check mark that. Look back at the 3-dimensional view. Try to remember what this thing, let me see, it was 3.5 wide, 3 tall. And then how deep is it? This is the top view, so this is the depth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 2.5 inches. I'm going to extrude this. I like to extrude into the 3-dimensional space. And this is, did I say 3.5 or 2.5? I think I said 2.5. And okay, there we go. There is the beginnings of that object. And then it's got these other, like things cut out of it. I'm going to, let me see, what am I going to do? I'm going to carve out, what am I going to do? I'm a little nervous now. I'm going to carve out just this little sliver, which is 1 tall, which is really a half. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wide, which is 2.5. Okay, so let me see here. I'm going to make a sketch on this surface. I'm going to look straight on at it. I'm going to make a rectangle. I'm going to move my face out of the way. And then let me see, what was that going to be? I forget what it was. 2.5, enter. 0.5, is that what it was? I think so. It was 0.5 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2.5 wide. Okay, there it is, yes. And then I'm going to cut into the object. How far in am I going to cut? It's going to cut all the way 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 2 into the object. Let me see. What do I do? This? No. I do check like that. I don't know. This. And I'm going to cut into the object, removing material. And I think it was 2. Was it 2? There. That looks right. I'm hoping. Okay. So looking back at this. And then I got that thing, whatever you want to call that. Now I got to get this, sort of sliced out of it. So I'm going, this one's 2, which is 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 2. So let me see, what am I going to do? I'm going to make another sketch on here, and I'm going to make another rectangle on here. And I think it's going to be, what's it going to be, 2? Is it 2? I forgot. yeah, it's 2. Let me see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 2, right? And then 1, 2, which is 1. Okay, gosh, I'm so stupid. 2 and 1. Here we go. And then I'm going to cut in. How far in am I going to cut? I'm going to cut in 1, 2, 3, which is 1.5. Okay, I'm going to cut in this way, removing material. 1.5, 1.5. Yeah, see, good. I'm getting there. And then look at this. And then there's a circle. Now the circle is a little bit, let me see. The circle is going to be centered 1, 2, which is 1 inch in, and 1.5. Oh, grief, good grief. Okay, I need to put a circle there. So what was that? The center is going to be 1 in and 1.5, which is really, oh gosh, which is really 0.75. Let me see if I can figure this out. Look at it one more time. Okay. All right, I think I might have it. I need to make a sketch here. And so let me look right at this. Okay, it's going to be 1 inch over and then 0.75 inches up for the center of that circle. So I'm just going to use a rectangle to do that for me. Okay, was it 1? Was it 1? And was it 0.75? Is that what it was? The center of that circle? And then the circle itself looks like it's 1 inch in diameter. Okay, 1 inch in diameter. Right here. 1 inch in diameter. Yes. And then let's look at this in a 3-dimensional view again. Whoa, that's not quite what I wanted. Let me see if I can swing this. Okay, there we go. Extrude that thing and that. And I'm going to extrude it down, removing material. Does it go all the way through? All the way through? Yes, it does. It goes all the way through. And so I will check mark. Look, there's the object. I'm very pleased. But I'm not done. This is really about multi-view and dimensioning. So I'm going to create a drawing. Okay. This is an Arkansas Razorback, Woo Pig Suey. And then this is the object. And I'm going to put the front view right there. And then it automatically gives me the option to do the side view. All right, swirly. And then I can click on this again. And then, why is nothing happening? Oh, there we go. And then I can make the top view. And then I can click on this again. And I can make the 3D isometric view. And then escape a couple times. I don't know why. I want to show the shaded view for the isometric, and there's no hidden lines and no dimensions there. However, these other ones, I'm pretty sure they do have hidden lines. This one's not even shown, but I'm showing it. There's hidden lines here, so I'm going to right-click here, show hidden lines. Beautiful. And I'm going to do the same thing here, show hidden lines. I don't need to do that over here. However, what I do need is put a center mark on that. So there you go, the center mark. And then I need to make a center line from here to here. There we go, center line showing that that's a circular feature. And then like that, showing that's a circular feature. Okay, that looks pretty good. Dimension time. Try to focus my dimensions on the front view if I can. There's the overall width of the object, and then the overall height of the object. And then I like to go over here to the side view for the overall depth of the object. So I've got overall everything going on there, but I have these other features. Let me see here. I can't dimension, or I shouldn't dimension to hidden lines or center lines, so I'm going to stay away from those. But I am going to go to this one and put a dimension there, and this one, and put a dimension there. And then what am I going to do now? I'm going to make a dimension here, there. Okay, that's pretty good. Then I've got some other feature situation going on here. I could do this, right? I could do that. And if that's 1 and that's 3.5, then whoa, then that's 2.5. I don't need to indicate that. And if this is 1.5 And if this is, we'll make it snap it. And that's 1. Well then, let me undo that. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Get a little sloppy. Okay, dimension from here to here. And I'm going to bring this one out like that. Whoops, undo that or move it or escape from it. Okay, getting mad. Getting mad. It's laggy. It's laggy. So I'm getting like super irritated now. And then dimension here to here to here. Okay, I feel better about that. And then this missing piece we can just figure out. 3 minus 1.5 minus 1 gives us a half right there. Now, I've already got the position of the circle and the size of the circle. I've already got this dimension of that, and all the dimensions are, most of the dimensions are, oh my goodness, I still need another dimension. And I still need another dimension for this right here, from here to here. How can I do that without crossing into the object? How can I do that without crossing into the object? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and I'm going to delete it. Let's see what if I do this? What if I do from here to here? Except I want, that's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. However, now this one is gone to heck. What is that? Oh, that's just a smudge on my screen. All right, let me try it. How about this? This way. A lot of these choices, you make these choices just, well, no, now I'm getting irritated, even more so than usual. All right, let me try this again here. A lot of these choices are just, you're going with the least of all evils, basically. Okay, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I'm just trying to make it not sloppy. I'm trying to make it so someone can look at this and sort of understand what this is if they needed to make this. So I've got the overall 3.5. I've got the 1 here. I've got a 1 and a 1 here, which leaves that little piece is undimensioned, but we can figure it out. Because if that's a 1 and that's a 1 and that's a 1, then that's got to be the half to add up to 3.5. Okay, now, all right, now what? Now I need a couple more dimensions. I'm going to stay away from here because I just don't want my dimension lines to sort of dig into the object itself. So let me see here. I'm going to do. I guess I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to sort of clean that up a little bit, and then I'm going to get rid of that one. I'm going to get rid of that one completely. Dimension, the overall. As long as I've got all these dimensions inside, I might as well. I mean, on the top, I might as well put them all on the top. Okay, I'm not completely pleased with this. I have some issues that are annoying me. But I think I've got it. I've got most of the dimensions. Maybe that one's an exception. What if can I move that one in here? Will that fit? I think so, right? Will that fit? I don't like it. I don't like it. Let me see. Can I move this one? Would this one be better off? Okay, that's terrible. That's a train wreck. Okay, ooh, I've got it. Okay. Okay, let's just do that. All right, so it's ugly, but I think that's the best I can do with it, at least for right now, without spending more time on it. So it's snipping time, right? Hopefully, let me see here. Let me try that again. Whoops. Do I have everything here? Yes. I think I've got it all. Okay, back to snipping tool. New. By the way, my alarm went off, so it's time to wrap it up, dudes. Snipping tool. I got a new, all the way like that. Got a picture of me in there. I'm gonna. You would save this to the desktop, I recommend, and then email it to yourself. I'm going to copy it into my simulator because it's a simulation. of what your notebook would look like with all of your screenshots stuck in there. Okay, there we go. There we go. So there's all those screenshots in my simulation. This is just how the sausage is made. What a horrible expression. There we go. There we go. So anyway, that's going to be it for. You're going to watch me have a nervous breakdown. Okay, so that's going to be it. That's the complete assignment. All the objects multi-viewed and dimensioned. I hope this was helpful to you. Dudes, wrapping it up. Of course, I hope that you were able to gain something from here, but I'm going to stop the recording. My friend Jake is here, as well as all the others. Levi, Clay, Alex, Tommy. Yeah. Okay, bye for now.